Oh my god, I feel sick.
No more uni for a long time now. And when September comes around, I'll be doing exactly what I want to do, which is special effects makeup for film and television, if you didn't know that and you wanted to know. We got some drinks dedicated to the students for AUB. Very nice, thank you very much. We finished! So, the plan is to go to Spoons and then Toast. Here's Erica.
Downing our wine. Classy as ever.
And Marie.
Hello.
You've seen both of them in previous YouTube videos.
Last one standing.
Oh no.
She made such a mess of my house. Hello.
It's the next morning. We are slightly gone. What was that? He spent £140 last night. For God's sake.
I think driving a trolley, mate.
You see me rolling, the hating. Nice little fit, you're having a laugh. She can't fit? Are you joking? Hey! Smile! Bournemouth Beach, ladies and gentlemen. The blood's going down my arm. And she's doing arm exercises. Where is she? Oh, she's over there. Erica's brought a film camera. Hey. She's right there. Ready to go. The camera. You can wee in the sea. You're not weeing in the sea, I'm telling you that now. Why are you running? Why are you running? We're going back to get some dinner. We're gonna make fajitas.
Yes.
Yay! Chef. Lucy's the chef of the day. This isn't just for me, by the way. This is for all of us.
Yeah. Imagine if that was all for you.
I'm very hungry, so I can probably get through all of it. But so I'm looking on my phone for results, and I've just got a message from our year group chat from uni that the results don't come out until midday. So I've woken up really early in nervousness. No, I'm joking, I'm not that nervous, but oh, that's annoying. Oh well. Oh my god, it's 12. I feel sick. Oh my god, I feel sick. Okay, it's fine, I've done my best, it's all I can do. Okay, I passed! And I got a merit in some of them! I'm pleased with that. I can't believe that. I'm gonna close my window because it's really loud. My camera's about to die, I can see it flashing. Merit, I am happy with that. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
I got a merit.
Hey, well done. I didn't think that you actually would get... You said it was either pass or fail.
Yeah, I got a merit though, pass with a merit.
Oh, fabulous. Well done, Danny.
Now that my clothes are packed away and that my suitcase is about to explode, I gotta just go sort out the kitchen stuff, all my hangers, and everything else is packed up and ready. I'm realising that this is the last time I'm ever gonna be in this room. Okay, so Mum's just called to say that she's here. I'm gonna go down. Whoop. I'm gonna go down and go and see her. There she is. We got a little pulley trolley thing to make life a lot more easier in this process of moving out. Hello there. This is my room. All packed away, all bare. Thank you. Bye. See you later. Thank you.